Hello guys, welcome here to another video. If you saw my last video, I took you through the process on how to install the module back in here, this area. We ran the cables and they're all tucked in here. There is one cable that I left in here on the top of it. I didn't run it all the way here. The plan is to run it through here, underneath here, and then coming out right there, which is what I want. So I'm gonna do that later. I don't really need the USB connection, but that's basically if you want to mirror your, I don't know, if you're putting a video on YouTube and you want to see it here, you can actually see it. But if you want to see a video on that, just let me know, put it in the comments below, and I'll do a quick video on how to run the cables and how to remove this panel and all that, so you can have it installed. What you're going to need is an extension USB, so that way you can put it in here if you want to, make a little hole and then tuck it in here, put the frame here so it looks OEM, or you can put it there inside here. So to connect it to your phone, I just want to show you what it looks like. So basically, very simple process. You turn the car on, and then what you do is you need to press and hold this button, hold it, and then it's gonna give you the menu. So you got music. So if you want to connect a USB drive on the USB, you got CarPlay, Android Auto, mirroring, but you need to connect it to your phone, Bluetooth, and video if you want to, if you have some videos on your USB thumb drive. Video in, if you connected front camera or side cameras on the side mirrors, that's also an option. And you got settings. So for the setting, there's not really much to go through. Just the volume. If you want, you can control the total volume here, navigation volume, the settings for the car, if you want to use the factory, or if you connect another camera, 360, just a bunch of options there. Radar, trajectory, the lines, the reverse lines, the can active, 360, front camera off, speech, right, left, just as like I said, if you want to install mirrors on the sides. Microphone, if you want to use the microphone, the factory one, yeah, I recommend you do use this one. Just being okay, not much there. Let's go, hold on. Display, brightness, just the standard, not too much to look at there. Sound, you can configure the sound to your liking. Language, and just some informations on the system. Okay, so now we're gonna go into Bluetooth, and you'll see that it will try to connect to my phone. So let me just there you go. This is the one that we want. So you're gonna press on it, but you're not gonna have this screen. So let me just delete all that. So this is how you want to have it, and then afterwards you need to do this. And then go to Bluetooth, and you're going to look for LIMCET box. You click on that, and now it's going to pair to your module. So it's going to give you a number, you pair it, you're going to get the same message, or you can allow to contacts to sync, and then it should show up on your screen. So use CarPlay. Give it a few seconds to load. So as you can see, now you're connected. There you go, guys. Now you are connected. So if you want to swap to your Audi MMI, so just press and hold here, and it's gonna go back. You press it again, hold, and it goes back to Apple CarPlay. So you're gonna move it with this. You're gonna control it with that. So all that is customizable. So you can move a bunch of stuff around. If you don't like the setup of it, just go into your phone and just change it and modify it. So something that I want to show you very quickly is this. So you shut it off, you lock your car, whatever you do, it's pretty quickly. So I'm gonna unlock the car, put the key in, it should connect right away. There you go. It's a very smooth transition. There's not much to it. It's pretty quickly. So guys, just a quick video here. Any questions or doubts, just let me know. And if you want to see the cable on how you can mirror your phone, I can happy to do that video for you guys, so you can see how you can mirror your phone. It's just a bit of more work. You just need that extension cable if you want to run it up to here, so it looks OEM. I don't like that cable hanging here, that's why I didn't do it. I just got the extension, so I'm happy to do it, show you how it's done. Thank you guys for watching. Just like and subscribe. That would really help me out, guys. And any questions, just put it down in the comments below. I'll help you out. Thank you.